In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer from your Shopify store dashboard. Managing your customer list is an essential part of maintaining a healthy and organized online business. Sometimes you may encounter situations where removing a customer from your database is necessary, whether for privacy reasons, duplicate entries, or merely tidying up. Let's walk through each step to ensure you can do it confidently and correctly. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is the control center for everything related to your store, and it's where we'll start this process. Once you're logged in, take a look at the navigation bar on the left-hand side of the screen. Among the various options, you'll see a section labeled Customers. Click on this link and it will take you to a comprehensive list of all the customers associated with your store. On this page, you'll notice a complete rundown of your customer database. This effectively displays all the contact information and purchasing history you've accumulated. To proceed with deleting a particular customer, you need to identify them from this list. Simply find the customer you're aiming to remove and click the checkbox located right beside their name. This action selects that customer and indicates your intention to perform an action related to their profile. Once you've selected the desired customer, move your attention to the right side of the screen. You'll find three small dots, which, when clicked, reveal a submenu. Consider this the gateway to various actions you can take for the selected customer's profile. In this case, what you're looking for is the Delete Customer option. When you click on this, a prompt will appear, asking for confirmation. By clicking Delete again, you confirm the action, and the customer gets removed from your list. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a customer from your Shopify store. This process is straightforward, yet crucial for maintaining the integrity and privacy of your database. Remember, being organized not only helps with customer management, but also keeps your business running smoothly and your data precise. Keep in mind that once a customer is deleted, the action is permanent, and you cannot retrieve that customer's data unless you have a backup or redundant system in place. This method ensures your customer list remains relevant and current, reflecting only the active or necessary contacts for your business. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Shopify experience.